Hello guys! Today we're introducing our newest and most advanced traction control feature in ECU Tuner, Machine Learning Data. Let's open the traction control menu. You can see that a new section has been added, Machine Learning. At the beginning, we need to drive for a while to collect at least 100 samples from real driving data. After that, the machine learning system can start adjusting the traction control settings automatically based on the collected data. Once at least 100 samples are recorded, the option to activate machine learning becomes available, ranging from 0 to 10, where 0 means it's turned off, and 10 means full 100% adjustment of traction control values by machine learning. Once we've collected at least some basic data, we can click Save ML Data to File. These data will then be automatically loaded the next time you start the game. If you don't save them, they remain temporary, valid only for the current session. The machine learning system can, for example, detect where you previously lost traction in a corner, and during the next lap, it will automatically adjust the traction control to prevent the same loss of grip under similar conditions. You can save your data once at least 100 samples have been collected. While you keep driving, data continue to be recorded automatically up to 1,000 samples. After that, the system doesn't delete the oldest data, but instead removes the least relevant ones for machine learning. This way, it always works with the most valuable information from your driving and keeps adapting to your personal driving style. It's up to you when to press the Save ML Data button to store your best data for future sessions. These will then be automatically loaded the next time you start the game. During our testing, the most recommended machine learning range was between 3 and 5. Of course, properly tuned base maps and traction control setup are the foundation. Only after that does it make sense to activate machine learning to achieve real benefits. Now we can go even further and push the traction control system to its full potential, gaining those extra valuable hundredths of a second. The new alpha version also introduces machine learning for different ground types. You can choose between 5 of the most common surfaces in Assetto Corsa: dry asphalt, wet asphalt, gravel, ice, and snow. To activate this feature, the ECU tuner needs sample data from each surface type, so it can distinguish between them in real time. Simply select the surface you want to record, press the Rec button, and keep driving until the green progress bar is full. Don't forget to click the Stop button once the data are recorded, because only then the data will be saved to file and loaded next time you start the game. Using various sensors, the system stores samples into memory, and based on that data, the ECU tuner automatically detects which surface you're currently driving on and adjusts the traction control strength for that specific ground type in real time. You don't have to collect samples for each surface until the green bar is completely full, but it's highly recommended, because the more data the ECU tuner has, the more precise and sophisticated the traction control becomes, resulting in smoother and more effective interventions. Once we have all the data collected, we can go for a test run and check if our surface data have been recorded correctly. At the bottom, you'll see an estimated ground info, where the value of 1 means the surface has been detected with 100% accuracy. Based on these values, the system automatically adjusts the traction control response for the currently detected ground type. If the data for a specific surface don't match correctly, you need to delete them using the bin icon and record them again. Try out this brand new feature today. Download the latest ECU Tuner update exclusively on Patreon.